Welcome back to Sheikh Han, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Said Sheikh. Know your why and be in love with your why, because your why is the thing you have taken time to think about, to dream for, pray for, cry and scream over. It is a thing that you may really never want to tell anyone in a loudly manner. It's something very special that keeps you so emotionally connected and bound to your actions that you cannot fail or may very rarely weaken. You have to do things for yourself because you want to. You need to feel and taste it and be so in your why. Keep talking yourself, find it to yourself, and know why for the things you are doing. Make an active choice rather than simply filling time and marking off days. One more thing, how much we really know ourselves is important. But how much we love ourselves, despite that, we know everything about our breakdowns, about our angers, about our love, about our insecurities, about our issues. How much we know about all our imperfection is also incredibly important. But how much we love ourselves, despite all the imperfections we know about ourselves, is really everything. It's really important and everything. Let me share with you that my voice changes from time to time, so will yours, and that is normal. But I always have one. I still go back to my original one sometimes, and that is the strongest. It is the why that makes me smile and cry at the same time. It is the one that I am bound to at my heart and therefore bound to in my action. So know your why and be in love with your why. To watch more video on the power of why, stay with Sheikh Han.